Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this classic slouchy hat. So let's get started. And this hat works bottom up, so I'm going to start with a contrasting color and work my way up. But you can always do it in one solid color. And I'm working in worsted weight yarn and 6mm crochet hook. And I'm going to use these colors because you won't be able to see the stitches in black. So I'm going to start out with a foundation chain that is long enough to wrap around the head. And here are the measurements for different size heads. So you'll start with a foundation chain that is one of those sizes. So start with a foundation chain that is long enough to wrap around the head. I just place the bumpy side on one side and then the smooth side on this side and run it through my fingers like that so that I can join my chain without twisting it. So slip stitch to join. Now chain one, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So make one single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and this will be the bottom band of the hat. Now single crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. And now I'm going to change color. And I just take one stitch to lock it in. And then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So just single crochet all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. And now I'm going to chain one and turn. I like to turn because it's easier to insert the hook into the stitch. If you try both ways, you'll notice that it's a lot easier to find that stitch and it's a lot easier to insert the hook into the stitch. So I'm going to go ahead, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. I'm going to do that for a total of 5 rows. Okay, so all the way around. Okay, so that's my foundation chain, and then I worked 5 rows of single crochet, and then I just worked another row of single crochet in a contrasting color. So like that, that's my foundation chain and my single crochets. So work the band of single crochet. Again, you can do this all in one solid color. I put a contrasting color of single crochet, and then I worked rows and rows of double crochet. Okay, I'm just doing a demo for baby size, so I've only done 3 rows of single crochet here, and then I changed again to my contrasting color. So there's the band, and there's the band. Now I'm going to change back to my main color, and I'm just going to pull my color through that last stitch, and I'm going to chain 2. Now it takes the place of the first double crochet, and then I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And I'm just going to repeat row after row of double crochet in each stitch until the hat is as tall as I need it to be. And the remainder of the hat is just rows and rows of double crochet. Okay, I worked all the way around making my double crochet. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And then chain 2 and turn, double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, all the way around, and work as many rows as you need for the top of the hat. So I'm going to go off camera and finish this, and then I'll show you how to finish up. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked a few more rows of double crochet, and that's how the work will look when you have it the right size. And now you can either fasten off and weave your yarn end around the opening and close up the top of the hat, or you can go ahead and close it up this way. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go over into the 5th stitch and slip stitch. Now do the same thing all the way around. Skip about 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches and go into the 5th stitch and slip stitch, and then tighten that up like that. So skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into the next stitch, slip stitch, and I don't even bother to count. I just kind of go by guess. And that will close up the top of the hat, and then you can fasten off and just use your needle to finish closing up the top of the hat. And that's how the hat will look when it's finished, and there's how it looks when being worn. So there you go. That's a very easy way to make the classic slouchy hat. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.